Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make barbecue sauce at home Indian style. Start by laying out all ingredients on the counter so you can work smoothly. Chop garlic and ginger finely, measure spices, and heat a saucepan over medium heat with a splash of oil. Toast whole spices briefly for extra aroma, then add tomato, tamarind, jaggery, and spices to build that signature sweet, tangy, and spicy profile. Warm your pan and add the tomato-tamarind mixture, keeping heat moderate so it simmers, not boils. Stir often to avoid scorching and let the liquid reduce until it coats a spoon. If it thickens too quickly, add a splash of water or vinegar to loosen the texture. Keep tasting and tweak with salt, lemon, or extra jaggery for sweetness until you get that perfect Indian barbecue harmony. To elevate your sauce, play with textures and layers of flavor, and remember less is often more. Lightly roast spices to unlock oils, and consider a small splash of soy or tamarind water for complexity. If you plan to grill with this sauce, make a reserve to brush near the end to prevent burning. Finish with a touch of ghee or garam masala for warmth, and let the sauce rest so flavors marry before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.